One of the things he's used is two of the girls who are still sort of, it would appear, under his control, have spoken out on his behalf as a way of saying, they've said we're victims, we're not really victims.
I am not a victim. Beatrice is not a victim. There are no victims in this case, and there is no crime. I'm not a victim, even though the prosecution is telling me I am. I've told them this over and over again, but they won't change it.
So what do you make of that situation?
I mean, again, I would say that they're under his control. It's coercive control, and they have been manipulated and abused to such an extent that they are going to say whatever he wants them to say. And indeed, there are phone calls that were recorded of him from prison to one of his lackeys, talking about how to manipulate them into making statements in support of him. So a lot of people latched onto that two of the women have said, we're not victims, etc. And they've even gone so far as to say, well, they've withdrawn their complaints, so therefore the case in Romania is collapsing because there are no complaints to prosecute. Well, no, they haven't withdrawn their complaints. They've just withdrawn their cooperation from the police. They're, I suppose, what we'd call a hostile witness now. But that doesn't mean that the police can't prosecute the alleged crimes that have been committed against them. They can still do that, and they still will.